Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to see the installation of GitHub. So firstly, let us understand what is GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform for version control and collaboration that allows developers to share, manage and track changes in their code and repositories using Git. It enables them collaboration and teamwork, which issues tracking and CI/CD integration, making it a popular choice for open source and enterprise project for introduction. So now we'll see the installation process of this. So that in our web browser we'll write install GitHub, or we can write download GitHub. So here we'll select this one, which is installing GitHub for desktop, and now we'll download GitHub for desktop if you are using desktop, and if you are using Mac and Linux we can go for that also. So we'll download this. Hence we can see a new desktop, so now we can download it. So here we can see download GitHub desktop. So we can download GitHub for desktop. So from here we can download this, and we can see it is being downloaded in our download section. So it can take few minutes according to your network connection. So once the thing is downloaded, now we can see our download folder, and then we can see while here we see two options. First is sign in to github.com and sign in to GitHub Enterprise. So as we see this page pop up in our desktop screen, so now here we'll select skip this step, and now we'll enter the name and the email. Now we'll finish this step. So now we can start this. We can add a repository to GitHub desktop, or we can start collaborating through it. So here in this we can clone a repository from the internet, and here we can create a new repository on your local drive, and here we can add an existing repository from your local drive. So we'll see this. So now here we'll create a new repository on our local drive. Here we'll give a repository name as first project. You can give as your convenient name, and here we can add any description also. And from here we can choose the path, and here we initialize this repository as readme, and now we can create repository. So our repository is created. So firstly, this repository is saved in our local machine, and by publishing this repository we can publish this in our GitHub ID also. And from here we can open this repository on an external editor also, such as VS Code, and from this we can view all the files and repository in the Explorer. So by pressing this command Ctrl+Shift+F, so we can see this will be our repositories. So thanks for watching this video. We'll continue this in the next video.